Anyways, I am tempted to make it on like one of these separate islands. Because I've got quite a few. I think there's one over here, if I am correct. There's one over there. There's also one over there, and one there. So I'm indecisive on whether to build it here or not. I feel like possibly here. You leave a 4-block gap in there. Then you have hoppers here. And then slabs on top of that. It goes up 24, I think. Hope to God that is right. I also have a very strong feeling this is going to be my death. As long as I don't block off the top one. I should be fine. There you go. And then we just repeat. You know what? I feel like there's a much more productive way to do this. And I feel like it's going to be so obvious. Just go down like that. We can just literally just do this all the way to the top. Oh my god, I've got a grass block. The Enderman dropped like a grass block. I shall not place this. This is precious moment for me. Not because it's rare, because you can get it with silk touch. Just the fact, like, I don't have that, so we're gonna value it, chat. It's gonna hold sentimental value to me. Alright, 22. And then we go 8 outwards on every side. 5, 6. Okay, that's right. I believe you can do it with multiple levels, because that just makes it easier. Get. It's just, like, frustrating. It's so bloody easy. Alright, I think we just fill in the rest of this, if I'm correct in thinking. Yeah, we do. We just fill in the rest of this. Fun. This is probably what uses the most cobblestone, to be honest. 12 times 4. I need 48 trapdoors. No. I need 48. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 4 is too much math to do. Alexa, what's 16 times 4? Alexa, what's 64 add 48? Yeah, we need about 2 stacks. 2 stacks of bloody trapdoors for this thing. That's just too much. Here. One here. Then I think it's just leaving like an L. Then you put one there. Then you leave another L and you put it there. You leave another L and this one goes there. And we just work like that. You just look for the L. That's incorrect. How did I manage to mess that up already? That's meant to be there, that's why. There you go, chat. Messed it up already. Of course I did. Alright, and then this one goes here. And then this one goes here. One goes there. And another one goes there. And now we just repeat this process for every single one. There you go. Alright. If it works one way, why not work the other? And it must be easier, because now I can just place it, instead of having to worry about everything else. I'll fix the mistakes in a minute. I feel like we also need to put some lights and stuff around the bottom to stop mobs from spawning and like just ruining the entire thing. So probably grab some fences. I am hoping this now works. Desperately hoping. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna probably blow this thing up. But I'm not gonna lie, chat, I do not have the energy to refix this another time. It either works now or it will never work. a good chat.